Hey guys, I'm Xiomara. Today we're going to make kokedamas. Kokedama is a Japanese art form of growing plants in moss-covered soil balls. They're super decorative and easy to care for, which is why they've become a popular hobby. To make a kokedama, you'll need a plant that's suitable for kokedama. This means that it's hardy, small, compact, and slow-growing. It should also be tolerant of different growing conditions and be an epiphyte, which means that it doesn't need to be rooted in soil. Here are some examples of plants that are suitable for kokedama: Chinese money plant, string of pearls, wandering Jew, Phytonia albivenis, mint, rabbit's foot fern, bird's nest fern, begonia maculata, aloe vera, orchids. To make a kokedama, you'll need the following materials: a plant suitable for kokedama soil mix, sphagnum moss, live moss, or coconut fiber, organic twine, fishing line, or jute twine, water and scissors. Here are the steps to make a kokedama. 1. Remove your plant from its pot and gently remove the old soil from the roots. 2. In a bowl, combine soil, clay, and sand. Add water until the mixture forms a moist dough. 3. Roll the dough into a ball around the roots of the plant. 4. Wet the moss and place it on top of the soil. 5. Secure the moss to the soil with twine and trim any excess twine. 6. Hang your kokedama or place it in a bowl. To water your kokedama, simply submerge it in a bowl of water until it's fully saturated. Then drain any excess water and return it to its hanging spot or bowl. There are many ways to decorate your kokedamas. Here are a few ideas. Use colorful twine, beads, ribbons, or flowers to decorate your kokedama. Create interesting designs by tying different knots or weaving the twine in different patterns. Place your kokedama in a bowl, pot, basket, cage, or other object to give it a decorative touch. Support your kokedama with a hanger or stand made of wood, metal, glass, stone, or ceramic. Kokedama making is a fun and rewarding hobby. You can decorate your room, give them as gifts, or simply create a lasting memory for yourself. Let's get started.